Hi, and welcome to the LUMC Light Microscopy Facility. I'm Lennart Voortman, and I'm the head of the microscopy facility here at LUMC. And together with Annelies, Karin, and Willem, we try to support the researchers from the LUMC by providing access to the microscopy facility. If you have any questions about microscopy or run into any issues behind the microscope, please ask any one of us, and we'll try to help you as good as we can. In this short video, I will give a short overview of the facility and kind of services we provide and how you can make use of these. Our aim at the facility is to provide access to advanced types of microscopy to all users of the LUMC. But equally as important, we try to provide a platform for sharing expertise about sample preparation, image analysis, and data storage. In this facility, we mainly focus on fluorescence microscopy in many different variations and also varying applications. So that's why we operate a diverse range of microscopes, ranging from live cell imaging to fixed, to multicolor imaging, imaging in 3D, but also fully automated imaging of multi-well plates. Most of our microscopes are situated here in this room, but some of them are also scattered around this building and also the other building of the LUMC. But we'll also show those in this video. In this video, we'll cover the different microscopes that we have. So that includes the Confocal microscopes, the intravital, the Widefield microscopes, then also Lightsheet, the Slidescanners, and finally the high content imagers. We start our tour in S117. This is the main room where most of our microscopes are situated. On the left, we find our Leica SP8 white light laser confocals. These have a tunable excitation laser and can do up to 5 color imaging. Then on this side, we find a Leica SP8. It's an upright confocal and it's perfect for imaging fixed slides. And on this side, we find the Leica SP5 confocal, also for live cell imaging, and has many different laser lines available. Then we move to the Dragonfly confocals. So the first one is the Dragonfly 500. It's for very fast confocal imaging, so perfect for 3D imaging or very fast time-lapse imaging. Next to that is the Dragonfly 200. It's very similar to the 500 system, but only with one camera. And in the corner here, we have the Zeiss Airyscan confocal, which is upright confocal for fixed cells. Can do up to 4 colors and has a super resolution option, so very good for high resolution imaging. Then we jump to a different building in the LUMC, and we're now in the E0. This is where we find our intravital microscope from Zeiss. This is perfect for imaging intravital, so in live animals, as you can see here. And we jump back to the main microscopy room, and here we see 2 of our Widefield live cell imaging stations. And on the other side, 2 of our DM6b. So these are for fixed fluorescence imaging. And then finally, last microscope in this room is our stereo microscope for fluorescence, so low magnification, large samples. Here we see 2 of our slide scanners. So the slide scanners can do automated imaging of slides, both fluorescent and bright field. They can scan overnight, so you can load stacks of slides and they will be scanned automatically. And here on the right, we see our Lightsheet microscope, the UltraMicroscope. This is for imaging large, cleared samples in 3D. Now we continue with high content imaging, and the first microscope we'll see here is the IncuCyte. The IncuCyte can image multiple plates long term, so over multiple days, and as you can see here, it's situated in an incubator. Next up is the ImageXpress. It's a spinning disc, a high content imager, suitable for live cell imaging and ideal for imaging multi-well plates in multiple positions or over time. And finally, two more high content imagers. First up, the CellInsight. It's a Widefield system with a lot of image analysis functionality. Then the CellInsight. It's a Confocal with 7 different laser lines. Also comes with a lot of image quantification options, perfect for imaging plates and doing image analysis. Now, if you want to make use of the microscopy facility, all you need to do is go to the LUMC website, find the light microscopy facility, and if you then go to the contact page, that's where we will find the intake form. So if you download this intake form, fill it in